Hi everyone, this is Bhupesh, Eagle driving instructors and one of the director of Right Choice Driving School. Today I'm going to show you two steering techniques. One is push and pull. So where to use push and pull? Push and pull when you're driving wide corners, when your speed is relatively slow, you use pull and push technique. And second is hand over hand. Hand over hand technique you can use for tight turnings when your speed is good, especially at the roundabout when you're turning right, when you're turning left, as well as maneuvers. For example, 3-point turn and reverse parking. So that's the two techniques you're going to use in your RMS driving test. If you don't use those two techniques, you might lose points, and if you lose too many points, you may end up failing the test, and you probably have crashes as well. So your hand should be on 10 and 2 positions. If you don't know what is 10 and 2 positions, think of this steering wheel as a clock. So the top is 12, 3, 6 and 9. So put your left hand on 10 and right hand on 2 positions. So first is how to do push and pull steering technique. Let's say if you are turning right, so you pull your steering wheel with your left hand and support with your right hand and push with your right hand, and again pull with your left hand. So and on. So if you need to turn left, so pull with your left hand and support with your right hand and push with your right hand. Take over with your left hand and again support with your right hand, push, pull, push, pull, push. Again to your right, pull with your right hand first, push with your left hand, pull, push, pull, push. That's the pull and push steering technique. Now another one is hand over hand. So let's say if you want to turn right, you turn with your left hand all the way to 3 and take over with your right hand. Again with your left hand you turn, take over with your right hand, and that's on, so on. So now let's say if you need to turn left, so you turn with your right hand first, go all the way to 9 and take over with your left hand and turn with your right hand, and so on. Okay, now I'll show you while the vehicle is in motion. Ahead roundabout, I'm turning left. I indicate first, I slow down my speed. The best technique here is push and pull because your speed is slow. So pull, and not enough, push your with another hand. Let the wheel go. So this kind of sharp turning, I'm turning right, it's better to use hand over hand. Pull, hand over hand. Let the wheel go. Just to make it straight. Indicate. I'm using hand over hand technique here because my speed is relatively faster. Hand over hand. Turn 2. I'm turning left here. Relatively my speed is a bit fast here, so better if you use hand over hand technique. So hand over hand. Let it go. Push. Pull. Let it go. Again, push and pull. Small turning like this. Pull. If not enough, push. So roundabout, I'm turning right. I indicate right. So effective way is your hand over hand. Check your right, nothing, sharp turnings, hand over hand.